PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is committed to providing customers in the Wayne, Pennsylvania area with the quality commercial HVAC repair service and maintenance. Our technicians are trained and experienced to handle your HVAC system issues. We are proud to offer comprehensive commercial HVAC services that include everything from routine maintenance to new installations, emergency repairs and seasonal cleaning. Contact our commercial HVAC repair experts today and get a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC repair expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How long does it take to replace a whole HVAC system? An air conditioner replacement will typically take between 4 and 8 hours. If you replace your furnace and air conditioner at the same time, the task will take 8 to 14 hours. What causes a compressor to fail? Overheating is one of the most common causes of compressor failure, and it is generally caused by a lack of refrigerant in the system. What is your service area for the Wayne office? Our commercial HVAC repair have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Wayne, St. David's, Villanova, Gulf Mills, South Wayne Historic District, Villanova, Stratford, Radnor, King of Prussia, Ethan, Rosemont, Devon, Bryn Mawr, Radnor Township, and Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. Where is your Wayne, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC repair office located? We are located at 650 West Lancaster Avenue, number A, Wayne, Pennsylvania 19087. Our phone number is 610-424-6274. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Lancaster-Wayne-HVAC-service.